Not a single seat left empty. A set piece variation. That's tossed up nicely. And Bangladesh, they score. What a brilliant header at the back post. And the crowd erupts. And they erupts in jubilation. From defense to destiny. Mohammad Malik, 9 on his back, striker's instinct in his veins. And Bangladesh, they take the lead. A set-piece masterclass, a training ground routine, beautifully clipped towards the back post. And Mohammad Malik makes the best use of his height. There was a quality ball in. Look at that from Murshid Ali. And he was the fox in the box. Mohammad Malik delivers on a big stage. Lovely combination play.